Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech gadgets on the market. Today, we have something special for all you Mac users out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the wireless Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for Mac by Seenda. This sleek and stylish combo is designed to enhance your Mac experience while offering some fantastic features. Before we dive into the details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Let's start with an overview of this product. The Seenda wireless Bluetooth keyboard and mouse are tailored specifically for Mac users, featuring a Mac key layout that blends seamlessly with your Apple devices. Not only does it look great in a space gray or white silver finish, but it also delivers a superior typing experience at a fraction of the cost of an Apple keyboard. Plus, it's packed with features that make it a compelling choice for Mac enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this combo. One of the standout features of this combo is its ability to connect to 3 Apple devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. This means you can easily switch between your MacBook Pro, iPad, and iPhone with just a few clicks, making it a versatile choice for a multi-device setup. Say goodbye to constantly changing batteries. The rechargeable battery in this keyboard and mouse combo lasts up to an impressive 200 hours on a single charge. Plus, both the keyboard and mouse automatically enter sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity to conserve energy. The keyboard features a scissor switch key mechanism, similar to Apple's Magic Keyboard. This provides a tactile and quiet typing experience, making it perfect for fast and precise typing without disturbing those around you. The keyboard has adjustable feet that provide a comfortable typing angle, reducing strain on your wrists. The ambidextrous mouse has a smooth pebble shape, ensuring it feels great in either hand. Crafted from stainless steel and premium ABS materials, both the keyboard and mouse are built to last. They not only look beautiful but are also compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry in your bag. It's important to note that this keyboard and mouse combo works with devices that have Bluetooth 4.0 or higher. It's compatible with macOS 10.15 or above, iPadOS 13 or above, iOS 13 or above, and Android 4.3 or above. Just make sure your devices meet these requirements before purchasing. For peace of mind, Seenda offers a 12-month money-back or free replacement warranty if you receive a defective product or encounter any issues. That's reassuring, isn't it? So there you have it, our review of the Seenda wireless Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for Mac. If you're a Mac user looking to upgrade your typing and navigation experience, this combo offers an excellent balance of style, functionality, and affordability. Whether you're working on your MacBook Pro, iPad, or iPhone, this keyboard and mouse will help you get the job done efficiently. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this combo, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.